हिंदू से नफरत ये कुरान नहीं कहता, भारत की मस्जिदें तोड़ो ये श्री राम नहीं कहता, रोटी का कोई धर्म नहीं होता, पानी की कोई जात नहीं होती, रोटी का कोई धर्म नहीं होता, पानी की कोई जात नहीं होती, अगर इंसानियत जिंदा हो तो मजहबों की बात नहीं होती। हिंदू खतरे में है, किसी को लगता है मुसलमान खतरे में है, हिंदू खतरे में है, किसी को लगता है मुसलमान खतरे में है, धर्म का चश्मा उतार कर देखो पूरा हिंदुस्तान खतरे में है। Well, wishing you all a very charming and captivating evening to represent it one and all. As the girl who is standing in front of your beautiful eyes, her name is Asmani. As today, I would like to give a big breakdown on a very beautiful issue, that is human right, and human right. Well, we are so lucky to be a part of country India. We are so lucky to have the citizenship of country like India, where the Article 17 of our country gives us a right to equality, where the Article 19 of our country gives us a right to freedom, where also the Article 23 of our country gives us a right against exploitation. But so sad that we don't have a right to humanity. Do you know any article? Do you know any article in which there is written that you have a right to equality? We know very well that we have our 6 basic fundamental rights. But do you know is there written about a right to humanity? Of course not. You know, this is a word which contains the 8 letters of English alphabet. HUMANITY. Humanity. But do you think that it is nowadays? Because as my creative mind says that our first priority is to be a human being, is we must have a humanity in ourselves. Because I am the one who only see human but not humanity. The population, the country which has a population of 145 crore, only there is a human being, but there is no humanity. Even in our own family, there is not any single person who will going to think good of others. Even in our own country, each and everyone think for their benefit. Talking about Prime Minister, before contest the election, when he make too much promises to the public. He make too much promises to the public that give me vote. I will make too much promises to you. They started to make too much promises to them that I will going to complete this, I will going to complete that in favor of you. But you know, after winning the election, he forget everything. He forget everything what promises he has made to the public. This is called humanity. Talking about the doctor, he will talk too politely to the patient because he wants money. He only wants money because in this universe, everyone wants profit. In this universe, everyone wants profit. I'm not just talking about India. I'm not just talking about America. I'm not just talking about Thailand. I'm talking about the whole worldwide. In this universe, each and everyone are selfish. In this universe, each and everyone are thankless. If you were going to sacrifice your whole life for anyone else, still they will say to you that how thankless you are. This is the condition of today's time. This is the condition. But you know, as I told you, as I said that, nowadays I only see a human but not humanity. This is a true but bitter. Okay, thank you so much.